Hello everyone, welcome to my Java tutorial series. In this course, we'll learn Java from basic to advanced with practical examples. So today's lecture is an introduction to Java. In this video, we are going to learn about Java, one of the most programming languages in the world. We'll understand what Java is, why it is popular, its important features, and where it is used. So let's get started. So first question is, what is Java? Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. It was created by James Gosling and his team with the goal of building software that could run on different platforms without requiring code changes. Java follows the principle write once, run anywhere. This means that once a Java program is written and compiled, it can run on any system that has Java Virtual Machine, or we call it as JVM. Because of this platform independence, Java became one of the most widely used programming language in the software industry. And Java is easy to learn and use. Java program can run on different operating systems without changing the code. The same code we can run on different operating systems such as Windows and Linux, etc. And Java is widely used for web, mobile, desktop, and enterprise applications. So this is Java. We'll move to next slide. So next question is, why is Java so popular? Java is popular for several reasons. First, it is easy to learn compared to many other programming languages. And second, Java is platform independent, allowing the same code to run on multiple operating systems. Third, Java provides strong security features, making it suitable for enterprise applications. Fourth, Java has large developer community and extensive documentation. And finally, Java is used by many organizations worldwide, creating a high demand of Java developers. And also, there are various features of Java. Let's look at some important features of Java, such as object-oriented. Java is an object-oriented programming language. It uses concepts such as classes and objects to organize code and improve reusability. We'll see much detail in the later videos. Next point is platform independent. Java code can run on different operating systems without modifications because of the JVM, or Java Virtual Machine. And Java is simple. Java has a clean and easy to understand syntax, making it a beginner friendly. Java is secure. Java provides built-in security features that help protect applications from various threats. Java is robust. Java includes strong memory management and exception handling mechanisms, making applications more reliable. We'll see in later videos how the exception handling and the memory management works in Java in detail. Java provides high performance with the help of JIT compilation. We call it as just-in-time compilation. Java delivers good performance. And also Java supports multi-threading, allowing multiple tasks to run simultaneously. That we call it as multi-threading. And we have various applications of Java. Java is used in many areas of software development, such as web application. Java is widely used to develop web-based application and enterprise systems. Moving forward, we'll understand what is web-based application and how it works. Mobile applications. Java has been one of the primary languages for Android application development. Another one is desktop application. Many desktop software applications are developed using Java. Enterprise applications. Large organizations uses Java to build secure and scalable business applications. Cloud and distributed systems. Java is commonly used in cloud computing and distributed environment. Okay, so I will summarize whatever we discussed. So in this video we learned that Java is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Sun Microsystems in 1995. We discussed the principle of write once, run anywhere, and understood why Java is popular. We also explored the key feature of Java, including platform independence, security, robustness, and object-oriented programming. Finally, we looked at the various applications of Java such as web development, mobile applications, desktop software, and enterprise systems. That's all for today's lecture. In the next video, we'll learn JDK, JRE, and JVM in detail. So see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.